Question number 61. Which of these statement is not true? CV equal to 3 by 2 R for monoatomic gas. Yes, it is true. Partition function is independent of temperature. No, it is wrong, because partition function is dependent on temperature. So this one is a wrong statement. Closed system is a system with a boundary through which matter cannot be transferred. Yes, for in a closed system, you take in a closed system, here the matter cannot be escaped to the surrounding. Moment of inertia I equal to mr square. Yes, it is also correct. So option B is the correct answer, because they are asking false statement. Question number 62. Stirling's approximation. Here, which one is the Stirling's approximation? Here the option C is correct. Ln n factorial equal to n ln n minus n for large values of n. Next question 63. Match the following. You have to match the molecule with their point group. Here you see water. You all know this. Water is C2E point group. HCl is C infinity H. Methane is tetrahedral point group, and trans dichloroethylene is C2H point group. Hence option A is correct. Arrange the following ions in increasing order of ionic mobility. Here you see this ionic mobility value. Fluoride ion is 1.33 A. Potassium it is 1.38. For hydroxide ion 1.1. For H plus ion is 0.2. So potassium, this ionic mobility is inversely proportional to size. So potassium K plus, which is very larger size, that is the mobility, the increasing order of mobility, K plus greater than F minus greater than OH minus greater than H plus. Hence answer B is correct. Assertion and reason. BeH2 is linear, yes, and water is bent structure. The major difference between B and H2 is the number of valence electrons on the central metal atom. This was the reason. Both A and R are true. Both R is not correct explanation. Both A and R are true and R is correct explanation. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. So which one is here? B is the correct option. Both A and R are true. Yes, both A and R are true. And R is the correct explanation to the A. So option B is correct. Which one of the following statement is not true? Catalyst does not affect the equilibrium constant. Yes, it is true. Thermodynamic equilibrium constant is expressed in terms of activities. Yes, it is true. Partially miscible liquids are liquids that mix in all proportions. No, at all temperature. This was a wrong statement. Partially miscible liquid will not mix at all proportion. The eutectic is the mixture with the lowest melting point. Yes, it is also correct. Option is C. The correct answer is C. An even function. Here you see f minus x equal to f of x. Product of two even factors. Product of two odd factors. Product of an even and odd function. So which one is the correct answer? A, B, C, D. Here you take and function is even. For even function, f of x equal to f of minus x for all x values. This means that the function is the same for positive x-axis and negative x-axis or graphically. It is symmetric about the y-axis. Consider the following. Let us take f of x equal to x square into f of minus x, that is minus x square is equal to x square. that is f of x will be always equal to f of minus x. So here option 1 is correct, 2 is correct, and 3 is correct, the product of two odd function, but option 4 this was wrong. Hence option A is the correct answer. We have given linear momentum of photon of wavelength 350 nanometer is equal to, here you calculate this one, momentum of a photon mv, which is equal to h mu by c. C is the velocity of light and mu equal to c by lambda, you all know that. So momentum of a photon was given as h by lambda. You calculate this value is 1.89 into 10 power minus 7 minus 27 kilogram meter per second. Option B is correct. Match the following. Here first one, Bohr frequency, which is equal to delta E equal to h mu, is a Bohr frequency. D by temperature, D by temperature is this theta equal to h mu by k is the D by temperature. And third, linear momentum operator, is a linear momentum is given as h by lambda, you all know that. And eigenvalue equation is nothing but this one. Hence option A is correct. For an adiabatic change, delta S surrounding greater than 0, delta S surrounding equal to 0, delta S surrounding less than 0, delta S entropy of the surrounding leads to infinity. So which was the correct answer? So here you all know that entropy is the measure of disorder or randomness of a system. A process is said to be adiabatic if there is no heat leaves or enters into the system at any stage of the process. That means Q equal to 0. There was no change in heat for adiabatic process. As no heat is allowed to transfer between the surroundings and system, heat remains constant or 0. Therefore, heat change between the system and surroundings equal to 0, dq equal to 0. You remember the formula delta S equal to dq by dt. When dq becomes 0, then when dq becomes 0 means del S equal to 0. So answer B is correct. For an adiabatic change, delta S surrounding is equal to 0. Question number 71. A method of analysis yields weights of gold that are low by 0.4 milligram. Percentage of relative error caused by this uncertainty in the sample is 700 milligram and 250 milligram. You have to calculate the percentage of relative error. The relative error is given as ER equal to xi minus xt by xt into 100 percentage. Here you know xi equal to 700 milligram minus 0.4 milligram, which is equal to 699.6 milligram. And you calculate the percentage error, relative error, 699.6 minus 700 divided by 700, which is equal to minus 0.0057 into 100%, you will get minus 0.6 percentage. For second one, for 250 milligram, you minus 0.4 milligram, you will get 249.6. You calculate the relative error, 249.6 minus 250 divided by 250, which is equal to minus 0.0016 into 100%. For percentage, you will get minus 0.2%. Hence, option B is correct. Here the value is negative. So here you see A, the value is positive. A is ruled out. Whereas C is also ruled out due to a decimal factor. And D was also ruled out. And B is the correct option. Asymmetric stretching vibration of carbon dioxide. Raman inactive and IR active. Raman active and IR active. Raman active and IR inactive. Both Raman and IR inactive. Here you see, for carbon dioxide there occurs symmetric stretching, asymmetric stretching, bending and this vibration mode. Where you are getting the asymmetric stretching is at 2349 centimeter inverse. So this CO stretching frequency is Raman inactive and IR active. So all the vibrations are IR active and Raman inactive. So option A is correct. Molecular weight M is related to degree of polymerization dP in this way, where dP is the degree of polymerization. Answer B is correct. M equal to dP into M, where M is the capital M is the molecular weight and small m is the molecular weight of the monomer molecular weight, and dP is the degree of polymerization. This three factor is related like this. The number average molecular weight of a polymer Mn is given by the equation, is given by Mn equal to summation of Ni Mi divided by summation of Ni. Option B is correct. The number of space groups and space lattice in triclinic system, in solid state, for a triclinic system there are only two triclinic space group, and these are given a symbol P1, P-1. The former is enantiomorphic and while later is a centrosymmetric. There occurs two space group and it has one space lattice. So 2, 1. Answer B is correct. So in a triclinic system it has two space group and one space lattice. So I hope this video was helpful to you. This is Karnataka set paper 3 chemical science. Thank you.